The global population is on the rise, projected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050. This increase places significant pressure on food production systems that are already struggling to meet demand. Traditional farming methods, while effective in the past, are becoming unsustainable due to deforestation, excessive water use, and greenhouse gas emissions. Climate change further exacerbates these issues, threatening global food security. To ensure a sustainable food future, innovative solutions must be embraced, addressing both environmental impact and efficiency in food production. Vertical farming. Growing upwards. Vertical farming is an innovative approach that reimagines agricultural production by utilizing vertical space instead of vast horizontal fields. These farms use stacked layers of crops in controlled indoor environments, often within urban settings, where space is limited. The key benefits of vertical farming include significant reductions in water consumption, using up to 95% less water than traditional farming methods, and eliminating the need for chemical pesticides. By controlling factors like temperature, humidity, and light through advanced technologies such as hydroponics and aeroponics, vertical farms produce consistent, high-quality crops year-round. The localized nature of these farms reduces the carbon footprint associated with food transportation, as produce is grown closer to consumers. Successful examples include Aero Farms in the U.S., which grows leafy greens with minimal environmental impact, and Sky Greens in Singapore, which maximizes limited land resources to produce fresh vegetables sustainably. Lab-grown meat, a new frontier. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated meat, is produced by cultivating animal cells in a controlled laboratory setting, eliminating the need for traditional livestock farming. This process begins with a small sample of animal cells, which are then nourished with nutrients to grow into edible muscle tissue, resembling conventional meat. The environmental benefits of lab-grown meat are significant. Traditional livestock farming is a major contributor to deforestation, methane emissions, and excessive water consumption. By contrast, lab-grown meat reduces greenhouse gas emissions by over 90%, requires considerably less land, and minimizes the ethical concerns associated with animal slaughter. Additionally, the risk of zoonotic diseases and antibiotic resistance, prevalent in conventional meat production, is greatly reduced. Companies like Upside Foods and Eat Just are pioneering this technology, with lab-grown chicken and beef already approved for sale in some markets. While the production costs remain high, advancements in scaling the technology could soon make cultivated meat an accessible, mainstream alternative to traditional meat products. Precision agriculture. Farming smarter. Precision agriculture leverages cutting-edge technology to optimize farming practices, ensuring maximum efficiency with minimal environmental impact. This method integrates drones, sensors, satellite imagery, and artificial intelligence to monitor crop health, soil conditions, and weather patterns in real time. By precisely analyzing data, farmers can apply fertilizers, water, and pesticides only where and when they are needed, reducing waste and preventing excessive chemical runoff into ecosystems. Smart irrigation systems, for example, adjust water usage based on soil moisture levels, preventing overuse and conserving resources. The benefits of precision agriculture extend beyond sustainability. Increased efficiency leads to higher crop yields and lower production costs, benefiting both farmers and consumers. Large-scale farms worldwide have already implemented precision techniques, with notable successes in countries like the Netherlands, where technology-driven farming has maximized agricultural output despite limited arable land. If you are enjoying the content, please hit that like and subscribe button to support us in making more such content. 1.25s Reducing food waste. A collective effort. Food waste is a pressing issue, with roughly 1/3 of all food produced globally going to waste each year. This loss not only squanders valuable resources like water and energy but also contributes to environmental pollution as decomposing food generates methane, a potent greenhouse gas. The problem exists across the entire food supply chain, from production and transportation to retail and household consumption. In developing countries, inadequate storage and poor infrastructure contribute to food loss, while in developed nations, consumer habits and over-purchasing drive waste at the household level. Efforts to tackle food waste include technology-driven solutions like AI-powered inventory tracking for supermarkets, smart packaging that extends shelf life, and apps that connect surplus food with consumers or food banks. Initiatives such as Too Good To Go and Flash Food help redirect edible food from restaurants and stores to those in need. Additionally, improved public awareness and policy changes, such as clearer expiration date labeling and composting programs, are playing a crucial role in reducing waste. In conclusion, the future of food lies in innovation. Vertical farming, lab-grown meat, precision agriculture, and food waste reduction are key pillars in creating a sustainable food system. As these technologies continue to develop, they offer hope for a future where food is produced efficiently, ethically, and with minimal environmental impact. Embracing these solutions is not just an option but a necessity in ensuring food security for future generations. Thank you for watching. Share your views below in the comments.